Graphite conducts electricity, but have you ever tried it yourself? That's the real difference between theory and hands-on learning. Welcome to Robonauts India. Here, students from class 5 to 12 don't just study science, they live it. Our Robotics, STEM and ATL Tinkering Curriculum is crafted as per NEP 2020. We focus on skills that matter, not just grades. With us, students dive into robotics, AI, IoT, automation, drone tech, and 3D printing, all while having fun. And guess what? You can access our Level 1 course for free. Learn basic electronics and robotics through engaging video lessons. Plus, get our latest Level 1 book filled with interactive experiments and real projects. In today's tech-driven world, theory isn't enough. Students need creativity, skills, and confidence to shape the future. Our app-based learning lets you learn anytime, anywhere, at your own pace. Today's students don't just watch technology, they create it. Join us at Robonauts India. Visit our website to claim your free Level 1 course book today.